welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm going to work on the ITR again today. I really want to make a goal of getting this thing buffed out and trying to get the paint nicer than it is here. There's not really much shine to it, as I said in the last video, so it will need a good buffing. First thing I'm going to do before I buff it is pull these Type R stickers or decals off of here. I think these are off of the newer Civic Type R, and they don't match. They're not the right style. It's the same one on both sides as well as the one in the back here. You may not be able to see it, but it's the same type of badge. It's not the right style. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull those off, and I'll show you what I'm gonna put on there. Alright, next day here, I was able to get the left side of the car all completed last night. I did not have time to get over to the driver's side or the roof or the back of the car. I did get the decals put on, and I went ahead and buffed those areas before I put those on because that was kind of bothering me having those other decals on there. I really wanted to see how these are going to look. Happy with that. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into buffing the rest of the car and seeing how this paint shines up, because so far it's looking really nice, and I may even push the paint job off a little bit further and enjoy the car as it is because it's looking really good so far. So let's go ahead and jump into it. it.